Hello lovely people, welcome back to the channel. Your guy has been lazy on this channel, but you guys forgive me. Let me walk you through this simple farewell service book cover design in Photoshop. Okay, and I have a lot going on. I have a funeral book that I'm also designing, so this is the cover. Maybe some other time I'll walk you guys through, and also this is the inside that I'm trying to do. And I think not everything that I'll be able to um design it, or come here and teach you guys, okay? But I have a lot ongoing. If you haven't seen this video, I have made a video on how I created this. It's on my Chi channel, and learn graphic design in Chi. I think when you come and you search for let me go to YouTube and let me search for learn graphic design in Chi. And by the way, if you want to get a template, I have a template of a new template. This is a book, A4 divided, and also a dedication of church service building book, okay, and also a brochure for the send off, okay, and also we have a citation. So we have a lot of template over here. So not everything that I'll be able to come here and teach you guys, but I'm going to leave a link. Okay, so you see the funeral book of this, a funeral template of this, and that is it book. Okay, so when you come here and search for learn graphic design in Chi, learn graphic design in Chi, okay, I think so. This is it, and this is the video on it. Okay, so you guys should go there and you check it out. Okay, so I have a lot of videos that I want to make, but time is not permitting me. That's why. And also, I'm done with this funeral book. I'll upload onto my digital store, so you see everything. And maybe in the future, if I get time, I'll make a video about it. Okay, so you see how creepy it is. And I'm going to upload the template over here so that you guys will have access to. I'm going to upload the template over here for you guys. Okay, here rather, for you guys to have access to. So this one, if you want to visit this site, all you need to do is to type all template paste tag, then you hit enter. So the first link that is going to come, you click on it. That's all what you need to do. Okay, so without further ado, let's create this. So Control plus N, and then I'm going to select A4. So under print, we can select A4, then choose landscape over here and click on create. So a new canvas is going to open just like this for you. Then I'm going to click and drag the rulers to the center. You see that when you get to the center, it automatically stick for you. That means showing you that here is the center. Then what we are going to do is that we are going to draw these lines. This is a simple design. Okay, by the way, I have a background here that I want to add. So let me come here, and I think they are here. The file is here. So this is the background I wanted to add. So I'll click and drag this. With the help of the rectangle tool, I'm going to draw a rectangle just like this. Okay, and I'm going to fill it with a gradient. So FX, then gradient. Then I'll click and open the gradient editor, and I think I have a gradient of this. Okay, I will change the angle to 90, and you can click and drag it in real time to position it on how you want it. Okay, to accept changes. All right, so I'll bring this one all the way down. Click on this to accept the changes. All right, then I'm going to draw another one here just near to it, just like this, and I'm going to apply another gradient on this one. So FX, gradient overlay, and this time around we are going to use a gradient like this. Okay, all right, so something like this. So this gradient is this. You see the color code for this one. Okay, and also the color code for this one, and the location is 67. The last one, the color code is this, and the location is 100. Okay, so if you do that, you are going to get this. I know that you'll be able to add a gradient over here. That's why I didn't worry myself. Then from here, let's make a duplicate of this. So click and drag this one here, and then we are going to move this guy just like this over here. Then with the help of the rectangle tool, we are going to draw another rectangle on top of it. Let's make the top a little bigger select both of them and align to center. Then from here we are going to add another gradient on this one. So add a gradient here. This time around we will change to radial, and let's open the gradient editor, and I think we are going to use this gradient. All right, then click and drag this one to the center. So you see, adding gradients, knowing how to apply gradients to your workflow is going to make it stunning, more cute, and yeah, amazing. Just like this, you see that we've been able to design this in a twinkle of an eye. All right, so the next thing is to add the details. So let's first of all add the images. So this is the images. I have already removed the background. Both were separate, so I just arrange them on how I like it. All right, then from here I'm going to add the logo and the name of the church, the location, and whatever. You know, these details are simple to add. Just select your text tool and then you just click and type. You can highlight and change the color. You see, these things are basic things that I know that you guys already know. All right, so if you add the other details, this is how it's going to look like. And with this one, I added this. So you see, this is a golden something that I downloaded. I will leave a link for you guys. So if you bring it on top of this like this, make sure you have the text selected and you bring that one on top. Then you select and right click. Okay, just right click to clip it onto that. And you see that you are true. So the last thing that you are going to do here is to add the appreciation words over here. All right, so if you add the appreciation words, this is how it's going to look like. Amazing, beautiful, I love it. The last thing that I added was this ribbon. Okay, you see this one is red, but I don't have red in my color, so I decided to add a hue saturation on top of it, and then you click on this one so that the effect that you are going to apply is going to only apply to this. Okay, so I'm going to just click and drag to change this one. You see that it's giving me this yellow vibe color. Okay, and I like it. So that is how I was able to do this. All right, so in simple language, this is how I was able to go about this simple design in Photoshop. If you like this video, let me know in the comment section. If you want to see the inside how I am going to go about it, also leave me a comment below. So please, if you want to support us in one way or the other, the best way is to come here, purchase something that you get value from, and also you help us to buy credit to come here day in, day out. Thank you very much for your time. Until next time, keep creating. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so that anytime we upload a new video, YouTube is going to notify you. Until next time, keep creating and never give up.